Right. You know the biology. In biology is mainly two branches. One is the botany, second one is the zoology. Okay. Some are the specimens is there. Some are the plant specimens. Some are the animal specimens. Especially aquatic animals. This is the hydral aquatic animal. Okay, na? One is the aquatic animal, fish. Aqua means water. Water living animals. Okay. The water living animals live in the water. Their respiration also dissolved oxygen, taking the dissolved oxygen in fishes. Some of the fishes, starfish. One more aquatic animal, and one more aquatic animal. Hippocampus is there. Okay, one more aquatic animal is shark is there. Okay, this is shark. One more aquatic animal. Okay, and some of the aquatic animal. Octopus. Octopus is there. Octopus. Okay, na? Aquatic plants. Hydrilla, Pistia, Cornea. This is the aquatic plants live in the water. Okay, na? And desert animals. Snake. Okay, one of the snake. This is the Naza. Type is snake. Naza. Local name is Ospan. Local name. Okay, na? Aquatic animals. One more is frog is there. Okay, na? And land animals. Earthworm. This is earthworm. Okay, and aquatic animals. One is the that one lobster. Barrels. చుక్కలు అంటారు కదా దాని నుంచి వస్తారు. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? Monocot plant. Okay, dicot plants. Plants are based on the root system is two types: monocot plant and dicot plant. This is the monocot plant. Monocot plant is root system is 5 root system. Okay, onion bulb. Okay, so vegetative propagation and natural vegetative propagation. Okay, asexual reproduction. One of the asexual reproduction is the bryophyllum. Bryophyllum.
Very important.
Very important. You know already bryophyllum. Okay, plants their except flower, remaining all parts is the asexual reproduction. Okay, leaves, stem, root. Okay, leaves. One more leaf is the bryophyllum. The bryophyllum is corner of the bryophyllum. Small bud-like structures is forming the new plant. Okay, after germination, new plant. This is the bryophyllum. Okay, already you know the syllabus. Okay, ginger. One more stem modification. This is the new plants is formation. Water saving. Okay, these are plants. Okay, no water, so reduce the water loss. The small buds, no roots, no leaves. This one. Okay, thank you.